Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So today's video is all about creating look number 2 using the Nykaa Daydreaming palette. But before I start with the video, I want you guys to go and check out my look number 1 which I have created using the same palette, and also don't forget to check out my other videos and the most important video, how I do my base before starting off with my eye makeup. I will be linking each and everything in the description box below guys. You can go and check it out after this video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit on the bell icon, like, comment and share my video. So guys, this is the final look which I have created using the Nykaa Daydreaming palette. I hope you like this video guys. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit on the bell icon and share my video. Until next time, stay safe, stay home. God bless you all and bye bye.